going to be reviewing our coins. Before we get started, we always love to do Go Noodles in class to get our wiggles out, to kind of release some of that energy. So what I want you to do this morning, if you have the ability to, is to pause this video and then go search gonoodle.com and pull up the video, Get Your Money Right. And then I'm gonna play it up here too and dance along with you, reviewing those coins to get us started. So go search gonoodle.com, Get Your Money Right. Here we go.
Get your money right.
Laser fresh, nutcracker.
Dollars to the sky. Let's get it. You better get your money right. Yeah, get your money right. Money right. Yeah, get your money right.
Green like a traffic
So you can get your money right. Yo, get your money right.
Pennies, nickels, and dimes are looking like
Oh.
pennies 1 cent, a nickel
Has five.
a dime 10 cents, and a quarter
25.
And it adds up to 100 cents.
You got a dollar, yo.
Yup, I got all of my money right as I got
Won the lotto, yo.
I have 5 pennies that adds up
To a nickel.
but I need 10 nickels for
50-cent pickle.
If I had 2 nickels, that's as much as a dime.
Dime.
Down is $5, yo.
I hit the big time. Lincoln on the penny is the only one that's around. One time FDR and George got the silver
You
crown.
better get your money right.
Yeah, get your money right.
Get your money right.
Yeah, get your money right.
Green like a traffic
Come on, you can get your money right. Yo, get your money
I
right.
think I'm getting better at stacking all this cheddar. A stack of 25 pennies is worth a quarter. A stack of 5 nickels, same amount, but it's shorter. 10 dimes and 4 quarters are worth a dollar bill. I got my money right, yo, I got that financial skill. I need to buy deodorant for my armpit. Dollars 50 cents, I would like to purchase it. I got $4, so how much do I get back? 50 cents a change, man. Put that in your back, yeah.
Lincoln on the penny is the only one that's round. One time FDR and George got the silver crown.
You better get your money right.
Yeah, get your money
You better
right.
get your money right.
Yeah, get your money right.
Green like a traffic
So you can get your money right.
Like a mega
Oh, get your money right.
Get your money right.
Yeah, get your money right.
Get your money right.
Yeah, get your money right.
Green like a traffic
So you can get your money right.
Million like a mega
Yo, get your money right.
How much is a penny, yo?
1 cent.
One. How much is a nickel, though?
5 cents.
How much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
Quarter in my man.
That's 25 cents.
Now I got 100 pennies.
You got a dollar.
Nickels, nerds. I got 20.
You got a dollar.
What about my 10?
Oh yeah. You got a dollar.
This is some sweet, huh?
You got a dollar.
Dollar.
Yeah, get your money right.
Get your money
Yeah,
right.
get your money right. Yeah, get your money right.
Chicken, get cheddar, get cheese, get your money right.
Yeah, get your money right.
Get your money right.
Yeah, get your money right.
Green like a traffic
So you can get your money right. Yeah, go, go, go.
Get your money, get your money, get your money, better get your money right. For the $10, get your money right. Super Harlem Shake, get your money right. Shake, shake my love.
Woo! I hope you did that at home with me or enjoyed watching me do it. So we're going to talk about our different coins today. And we have our penny. We have our nickel. We have our dime. And we have our quarters. So we have these 4 different coins that we're going to be talking about today. And let's review. Can't catch my breath. These different ones. So we know a penny. Okay, our Abraham Lincoln is on our penny, and our penny is worth 1 cent. We sing a little song in class, so I'll sing it to you. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Then we have our nickels. It is worth 5 cents. 5 pennies is going to equal up to that nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Then we come to our dime. Our dime is our 3rd coin that we've talked about, and it is worth 10 cents. 10 pennies is the same as a dime. What do you think about how many nickels do you think would equal a dime? Challenge question. Our dime, 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 little and thin. I know in cents you're worth 10. Our last coin, our biggest coin of all, our quarter. Our quarter is worth 25 cents. Our song that goes with it, quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. So these are our 4 coins. We've worked on them a lot in class, and previously we've seen our problems when it lays them out. It starts with the biggest, and then it slowly works down to the penny. But today, you're gonna see on your math paper as we work through this that they're all mixed up. Now, most of you have noticed and know at this point that we have some dots on our coins. These help us to count them when we have more than one in a problem. So I'm gonna help remind you, whenever you see our 3 silver coins, you have to put dots on them. All of our dots are equal to 5 cents. So that means our penny doesn't get a dot because it's only worth 1 cent. So our nickels, our dimes, and our quarters all earn dots, but they're different amounts. So we have to remember how to count by 5s in order to figure out how many dots each coin gets. So on our nickel, we know it's worth 5 cents. So that means our dot is also worth 5 cents. So like we have up here, our nickel only gets 1 dot. We're gonna come to our dime. Our dime is worth 10 cents. So we're gonna count by 5s to figure out how many dots our dime is going to get. 5, 10. Our dime gets 2 dots. And then lastly, we have our quarter. Our quarter is worth 25 cents. We're gonna have to count a little further this time. So counting by 5s in your brain, count with me. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Our quarter is going to get 5 dots. So that when you see these problems, the first thing I want you to do when they're all mixed up in the different coins is put your dots. You're gonna put your dots on your silver coins. And then you're gonna stop. And when you see those pennies, then you're gonna stop and count by 1s. So counting by 5s, stop, then you count by 1s. So let's look a little closer at a math paper here that we have today that you are working on. And I've already put the dots for you on the first problem. So let's look at that. So we have at the top you're counting by 1s, but coming down here, you get to go shopping. Okay, pretend shopping. Maybe go shopping around your house at home. Pull some things out of the fridge with mom and dad's permission and put different price tags on them and see if you can use some pretend money at home or real money and place the right amount on top of each of those objects. Maybe you want to find some sunglasses, some gum, an ice cream bar, or a tennis ball or any kind of ball and put prices on them around the house and challenge yourself to see if you can put that correct amount of coins down and make that amount like you're doing on your paper here today. So going across the top, I see a penny, I see a quarter, I see a dime, and a nickel. So I've already put my dots. That's the first step. Then I'm gonna go and count by 5. So I'm gonna count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, stop. Change my counting in my brain. I'm at 40 to 41. I get to buy the ice cream cone. So then you would stop, draw your line to your ice cream cone, and you're gonna continue counting those coins going on. Nice job, boys and girls. See you later.